Hi, I am JD, a project management coach from Zyden Consulting. And in this video, we will talk about the PMI ACP exam. As per the recent PMI Talent Gap report, there is an estimated 2.5 million new project management jobs per year until 2030. Another recent survey by KPMG indicated that 70% of the organizations are planning for agile transformation in the next couple of years. It is clear that the industry requires highly skilled project managers with agile knowledge. Given these prospects, there still remains some confusion on which agile certifications the project managers go for. You have the CSM from Scrum Alliance, you have the Disciplined Agile certification from PMI, you also have half a dozen certifications from Scaled Agile and others. But which among these covers comprehensive knowledge on all agile practices? My answer to that is PMI's Agile Certified Practitioner, popularly known as PMI ACP. In this video, we will look at how exactly it is different from other agile certifications and what does the exam expect from you. Before we get started, let me remind you that our channel plans to regularly post tutorial videos on agile related topics. So click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on them. Let's start with the basic question. Why does anyone need a professional certification? You need it for 4 reasons at least. Number 1, you need to prove your company that you have acquired a new skill set that can help them. This will also help you with job promotions. Number 2, if you are looking for opportunities outside your organization, you need your resume shortlisted by the recruiter first. An attractive certification logo helps you get shortlisted easily. Number 3, even if you get shortlisted for an interview, you need to flash a good impression when the interviewer sees your resume first. The logo helps you here as well. Over and above all of these, professional certifications help you get better salaries. I have 2 big reasons for this. The first obvious reason is that the PMI ACP exam is difficult to clear. Now, I am not trying to discourage you here, but it is for the exact same reason the certification carries more value in comparison with others. Many senior managers and organizations understand the effort involved for clearing the PMI ACP exam. In comparison, there are certain other agile certifications for which you do not need more than a day to prepare. The second reason is that the PMI ACP exam syllabus is quite comprehensive, which means by the time you prepare and clear the exam, you will be knowledgeable on various facets of the agile world. You would be exposed to multiple agile frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, XP, Lean and others. You can use them like a toolset in your projects depending on the situation and context. You would also be adept with people management skills. You will become an expert in agile metrics and apply them to track your team performance. You would also be knowledgeable on value assessment techniques, which will help you make decisions that benefit the project. And finally, at the end of all of this, you will be able to cope with high competition against your product and react with flexible project plans. Talking about the eligibility criteria for the exam, you need to have a secondary degree from any recognized institute. As far as the work experience is concerned, you need at least 8 months of agile experience in your projects and at least 12 months of general project experience. On top of all of this, you need at least 20 hours of agile training. This will be covered by our PMI ACP course, which I will talk about you in a minute. The exam would clock for 180 minutes and you need to answer 120 questions. You can attend the exam from an exam center or home, whatever is convenient for you. There is no fixed passing score for PMI ACP as the exam is based on psychometric analysis, which means the passing score will vary based on the complexity of questions that you got assigned during the exam, which in my opinion is good for you as you can focus on choosing the most relevant answer rather than worry about the marks being scored. Our prep course would run for 20 hours spread across 4 days, that is 5 hours per day. It covers all 7 domains required by the ACP exam, namely Agile Principles and Mindset, Value-Driven Delivery, Stakeholder Engagement, Team Performance, Adaptive Planning, Problem Detection and Resolution, and finally continuous improvement. All examples in our course will be based on case study that runs throughout our course. Live exercises will be discussed at the end of every domain. Our learning management system contains mock exams for you to practice and gain confidence before you go to the actual exams. If you are interested in our prep course, click on the link in the description to submit your details and our career counselor will reach out to you. Or you can reach out to us on WhatsApp or email, or if you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comments box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you for holding till here. Wish you good luck on your certification. Sayonara.